What if I told you that your stress is physically leaving your body through your sweat and infecting the people sitting next to you? And what if that stubborn belly fat you've been fighting for years has absolutely nothing to do with your diet? A neuroscientist and medical doctor just explained exactly how this works, and the science is wild. Stay with me. Here's something your doctor probably never told you. Cortisol, the hormone your body floods with when you're stressed, can actually leak out through your sweat. Humans evolved to sense danger from each other, so when you're chronically stressed, the people physically close to you, your team, your kids, your partner, are literally absorbing your stress hormone through their skin. Think about that. A burned-out leader isn't just hurting themselves, they're quietly wiring their entire office for anxiety. Dr. Swart calls this social contagion, and it changes everything about how we think about stress. Now let's talk about belly fat, because this one surprised me. When your brain detects chronic stress, it activates a survival program. It thinks you're in danger, so it stores fat around your abdomen to protect your vital organs. It's the same mechanism your ancestors used to survive famine. The problem? That cortisol fat will not respond to dieting or exercise, not until your nervous system actually feels safe. If you've been eating clean, training hard, and still can't shift your midsection, this might be your answer. The war is in your mind, not your meal plan. Here's the good news. Your brain is not fixed, not even close. Most people think the brain is done by age 25, but Dr. Swart says from 25 to 65, your brain can still be fully rewired. You can upgrade your ability to solve complex problems, regulate your emotions, and override the unconscious biases that are quietly running your life. Here's the proof. In one study, people who only visualized lifting weights, never touched a single weight, gained 13% muscle mass. The brain cannot tell the difference between a vivid mental rehearsal and reality. Visualization isn't a soft skill. It is a biological mechanism. Want to instantly build trust with someone? Look into their left eye. The left eye connects to the right hemisphere of the brain, the emotionally intelligent side. When you lock eyes with someone's left eye, combined with genuine warm touch like a handshake or hug, your body releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone. Their guard goes down. They feel seen. They open up. This isn't manipulation. It's neuroscience. Sales calls, first dates, difficult conversations, the left eye is your secret weapon. What I love most about Dr. Swart is that she lived all of this. She came from an Indian immigrant family that pushed her towards medicine. Stability over passion. She buried the artist in herself and became a doctor. Then one day she asked, what if I actually built something of my own? She left her salary. Her income could have been zero, but it also became limitless. Eventually, she built in a single month what she used to earn in an entire year as a doctor. The brain she spent years studying, she used it to redesign her own life. Your brain is the most powerful tool you own, and most people are running it on default settings, stressed, stuck, and wondering why nothing changes. Lower your cortisol, audit your circle, keep learning, and for the love of science, look people in the left eye. If this hit different, share it with someone who needs to hear it. Subscribe, I break down science like this every week. Drop a comment, which fact shocked you most? I'm reading every single one.